Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to find recently watched reels on Instagram. So first of all, go ahead to your App Store or Google Play, and from here, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just go ahead and start looking for Instagram, and I'm gonna just double check if the Instagram app needs to be updated. If it does, just go ahead and do it, and if it doesn't, just move along and skip this step. Now, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna just open up the Instagram, and as you can see right here, you will see the interface of the app. Now, what I'm gonna do, you're gonna see right here the reels that I have on my, on my Instagram, right? So in order to actually view or see those reels, the recently watched reels, I have to interact in some way, right? This is applies on Facebook and Instagram the same way, right? So you need to interact with it with a like, or even with a comment or something like that. You have to interact with this post, right? Which I prefer to do is to add a like, and basically what's gonna happen, you're gonna just be able, let's say right here, I'm gonna just add another reel right here, and I'm gonna just add this one, right? So I'm gonna click on my profile to see the reels that I just interacted with, and click the three bars at the top right, and just go ahead right here into your activity, and normally it's gonna open up a new window and you're gonna find your activity, but I'm using the moderator account center, so that's why I see those options. Just go ahead and click your activity, and basically you're gonna see the same options, the interactions, and basically you're gonna see right here the reels that I just saved right here on my Instagram. All right, so basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.